Our next two videos are part of a series on cold calling. So many people approach cold calling on a hit and miss basis and get pretty much the same end result. Top producing salespeople make a commitment to cold calling. That starts with creating a strategy. Here are 5 steps to follow. Number 1, get the right attitude. If you have a great product that customers love, why are you depriving new clients from experiencing it? Get on the phone, spread the love. Step number 2, schedule a specific time for cold calling, place it on your calendar. Do not move it, even when a key account asks to meet with you at the same time. Don't look for a reason to get out of cold calling because guess what? That's human nature, so fight the urge. Step number 3, write a script as a guideline. Notice I said guideline. Nothing is worse than reading words off a page. That means after creating the script in your own words, you must practice it. Don't practice it till you get it right. Practice it till you can't get it wrong. Those are 3 of the 5 steps to building your cold calling strategy. Steps 4 and 5 in our next video.